The looming expiration of Affordable Care Act subsidies is expected to impact thousands of Kentuckians and Hoosiers beginning in the new year.
This was at the epicenter of the government shutdown. Well, WDRB Samantha Condra's breaking down what people impacted by that price increase can do now. Samantha?
Yeah, guys, with Congress on recess and no vote addressing the ACA subsidies, millions of Americans will likely see an increase in health care costs in 2026.
I think it's going to be incredibly stressful for people.
On January 1st, Americans who get health insurance through Affordable Care Act marketplaces won't have access to the enhanced premium tax credits that help cover the cost. That's due to a gridlock between Republican and Democratic lawmakers.
I'm optimistic that we still have a chance to do better in 2026.
Our message to Mike Johnson is clear. You can run, but you cannot hide.
According to healthcare.gov, around 350,000 Hoosiers signed up for plans through ACA in 2025. In Kentucky, that number is around 100,000 people. Kathy Hempstead is a policy officer with the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation, a nonprofit that fights for health equity. What can people who are impacted by this do now?
Well, certainly you should shop and look. You know, if there's a carrier with a lower price, that might help a bit. Another thing that many people are going to be doing is dropping down from a silver plan to a bronze plan. So that will give them a lower premium.
As for how much of an increase people could see,
people at the lower end of the income distribution might be going from having a $0 premium to maybe something like $80. And lots of people in the middle are going to see something like $100 increase, you know, from maybe, $85 to $175, something like that.
Hempstead adds it depends on how old you are, what your income is, and what level plan you applied for.
I think there's a cascade of problems that Americans are going to experience as we, as we see this big threat to coverage.
Now, as lawmakers go home for the holidays, they're looking towards 2026.
Huge damage has already been done, and nothing we do after January 1st can undo so much of that damage.
The House is expected to vote in January on a Democratic proposal to extend the subsidies for another 3 years. Samantha Condra, WDRB News.